we've got this function that we'd like to divide by x plus 4, and then use that result to factor this function completely. So for this polynomial here, we're going to do long division. We write our polynomial underneath, the 9x cubed plus 36x squared minus 49x minus 196. And then out here we write what we're dividing by, which is the x plus 4. To do this, we take our first term, 9x cubed, and we divide it by the first term out here, which is x. That simplifies down to 9x squared. One of the x's will cancel. And that's what we put up here. Okay, now we take that 9x squared and multiply by the x plus 4. So 9x squared times x is 9x cubed. And then 9x squared times 4 is 36x squared. We then subtract that. Well, the 9x cubed cancels, and so does the 36x squared. Okay, we're subtracting the same term here. So those first two terms are just gone, and that means we're just left with these two terms here. The negative 49x we bring down, there's nothing to subtract. Negative 49x, and then the minus 196 also comes down. And then we do it again. We take this first term, negative 49x, and we divide it by the first term out here. Divide that by x, and we get negative 49. We put that up here, negative 49, and we multiply the negative 49 by the x plus 4. So negative 49 times x is negative 49x, and negative 49 times 4 is negative 196. Now we subtract. Negative 49x minus negative 49x is 0, and negative 196 minus negative 196 is also 0. Okay, now that we have a 0 here, we know that we are done with our division, and we can write our result. We took 9x cubed plus 36x squared minus 49x minus 196, and we divided it by x plus 4. And we ended up with this thing on top, 9x squared minus 49. So to use this result to factor my function f, this polynomial, we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by x plus 4. And that will cancel it from the left side, so we just have that polynomial left. So the x plus 4 is gone here, and we have that 9x cubed plus 36x squared minus 49x minus 196 is equal to the 9x squared minus 49 times the x plus 4. So now I have a factored form for this polynomial, but it's not quite fully factored. We'd like to continue with this 9x squared minus 49. And to factor this, we can recognize this as a difference of squares. Okay, remember the difference of squares formula, I'll write it over here, that a squared minus b squared factors as a minus b times a plus b. And that's what this 9x squared minus 49 is. Okay, that is 3x squared minus 7 squared. Okay, so right there I see that this is a difference of squares. And so now I can use this formula to factor that. So this becomes 3x minus 7 times 3x plus 7. And then I still have my x plus 4. And there is my completely factored form of that polynomial.